So today the chapter we are going to start is about the family description. And again, we have taken a character named Alain, La Famille de l'Alain. And here the Alain is describing his family. Voici ma famille, here is my family. The mother is la mère, the father is le père. The grandmother is la grand-mère. Remember, this is the exception. We don't need to put E here with the grand. And the grandfather is le grand-père, although the definite article shows the gender of the person. Sister is la sœur and the brother is le frère. At the bottom of it, we have the description of the family. Let's get a dive into it first. J'ai une grande famille. We already know the meaning of j'ai, which is I have. Une grande famille means a big family. Dans ma famille, dans is the preposition. In my family. Now, I'll be highlighting the possessive adjective over here. Ma famille, il y a 7 membres, means 7 members. Mes grands-parents, my grandparents. Mes parents, my parents. Mon frère, my brother. Ma soeur, my sister, and me. Now you can see, every time I said me, mon, ma, I said this is my. Then why different spellings? Why different words we have chosen for my? We are going to see that grammar part here in this lecture also. Okay. These are called possessive adjective, and this is our today's grammar topic. Let's see the discussion further. Je m'appelle Alain Hugo. My name is Alain Hugo. J'ai 11 ans. I'm 11 years. Je suis petit. I am short or small. Till here, we know all the possessive adjectives, how to describe the age, everything. Mon grand-père s'appelle Daniel Hugo. This is for giving the name of the others. S'appelle. My grandfather's name is Daniel Hugo. Il a 66 ans, he's 66, il est grand, he's big. Then, ma grand-mère. Again, you can see with the grand-mère, we have changed the possessive adjective, which is ma. My grandmother names Sylvie Hugo. Il a 72 ans, she's 62. Elle est jolie, she is pretty. Mon père, again, because this is masculine, we will use mon, s'appelle Martin Hugo. My father's name is Martin Hugo. Il a 42 ans, he's 42. Il est beau, he's handsome. Then, ma mère, with feminine, we are going to use ma version of my. S'appelle Florent Hugo. My mother's name is Florent Hugo. Elle a 40 ans, she's 40. Elle est belle, she's beautiful. Mon frère, Léo, a 10 ans. My brother, Leo, is 10. Il est gentil, he is kind. Et ma sœur, and my sister, Céline, a 13 ans. She's 13. Elle est Max, she's 10. J'aime ma famille. I love my family. This is the description of family we need to do. This line, okay? Okay, after the exercise, let's move towards the membres de la famille. So these are the major members of the family. When you talk about the grandparents, collectively they are known as les grands-parents. You can see the S at the end of the grand because this is the adjective which will become pluriel. And parents will also take up the S. These are the grandparents. Grandparents may we have two people, the grandfather and the grandmother. So the grandfather is le grand-père, as we discussed before as well. And the grandmother, you can see, is la grand-mère. Again, highlighting the same point. La signifies her gender, that this is feminine we are talking about. Mère is also the mother, but in this is the exception. You are not supposed to put E, जो कि आनी चाहिए when you are talking about the feminine adjective, but in this case, it will not become. When we talk about the parents, they are called les parents. The father is le père and the mother is la mère. Le, la shows the gender. And the extended family, the aunt is called la tante. Uncle is very close to the English only, but here we have the O. So you can take a hint from there as well. And liaison will happen. It will become l'oncle. The daughter is la fille because of the exception of the silent double syllable of L. We'll connect the sound of fille, la fille. And this is also exception. This is le fils. And collectively, they are called les enfants, the children, pluriel. But to each other, they are brother and sister. So the brother is le frère and the sister is la sœur. Like in Hindi, we say a gentleman, sir, like that, sir. When it comes to the another family, now the relation of this and this means the both children, they are the cousins of each other. So it will become les cousins. Les cousins means the cousins. To each other, they are brother and sister. So again, le frère, la sœur. And to the parents, they are the daughter and the son. So la fille and le fils. And collectively, they are the children, so they will become les enfants. This is the description of the family and the extended family together.